Hello friends, today we will learn how to transfer a design from a paper onto the fabric by using different techniques. So for transferring our design, what we need is, this is our butter sheet, butter paper, right? This is plain butter paper which you can take from the market. This is our carbon paper. Carbon paper are available in different colors. For light color fabric, we need to use yellow or white carbon paper. But due to COVID, I don't have that in the market. I don't have that available in the market. So I'm using the blue carbon paper. Pencil, that's all, or fabric on which you need to transfer the design. So we are going to use the first technique. For making the first technique with the use of carbon paper, what I need is, I draw my motif or design on the butter paper. You can see it. Like if I need this design onto the fabric on this area, I will make it sure that it will not move here from this area. I'll place the carbon paper below the butter paper on the fabric like this properly. And now I'm going to draw with the help of pencil. I will draw the complete design. Mostly light color carbon papers are used to transfer the designs, as dark colors gives different lines on the fabric, or it will make the fabric untidy. So if you can buy from the market, you need to buy yellow or white carbon paper. Now it's almost complete. So we will see. This is a design. We got the design in blue color with the tidy, on the tidy material. Now we will make the design by piercing the motif on the butter sheet. Like this was my motif. You can see in the picture, I have used needle to pierce, like there are holes in the motif. You can see with the help of pen, I have made piercing onto the motif. So now what I will do, this was used in ancient times, like when blue and tarpon oil or kerosene, tarpon oil was used for transferring of the motif. Like this, we can place the motif on the fabric like this from the butter sheet. And now I am using the chalk, because with the blue color of the chalk, the design will directly traced on the fabric. Look, I will rub the chalk on the piercing holes, and from that the chalk powder will move on to the fabric like this, and design will directly trace onto the fabric. Extra powder will remain on the butter sheet. I will now remove the chalk. Like this, we get our holes for making the motif. So here my lines are clear. With the help of these lines, I can draw by using the pencil. The last method for using the tracing, what we can do, if we don't have butter paper, we don't have carbon paper, what we can do is, we will darken. We have used this motif, so we have darkened this motif. What I will do is, I will use the wrong side and I will place the right side onto the fabric like this. This is the wrong side, so I will place it on the fabric, and now I will draw with the help of pencil on the same. So I will have the pencil marks on the fabric. Lead will directly go onto the fabric. it's almost complete. We get our motif on the fabric like this. It's somewhat light, but we can see to it, we can view it. It's almost traced. So thank you, that's all for today.